All right, today we are building something seriously cool. We're going to take a few really powerful AI tools. I'm talking Claude Code, NotebookLM, and Obsidian, and weave them together into one seamless, super practical workflow. And you know what the best part is? You can get this entire thing up and running in less than 30 minutes. Okay, let's jump right in.
Now that's a direct quote from the source material for this explainer, and honestly, it hits the nail on the head. This isn't just about using AI tools. It's about creating a system that completely transforms how you do research, how you analyze information, and how you create. We're building a monster in the best way possible.
So I want you to think of this as us building something together, step by step. We're going to assemble your very own personalized AI research assistant from scratch. The real magic here is how we combine the unique superpowers of 3 different tools into one fluid process.
So, first up, what even is this God mode workflow we're talking about? Well, at its core, it's a system where your AI tools stop acting like separate apps you have to juggle, and instead, they start working together like a single, cohesive brain. It automates your most tedious research tasks, but, and this is the important part, it also learns to think more like you over time.
And this slide really shows you the before and after. Look, on their own, these tools are powerful, for sure, but you're stuck in this loop of manually copying and pasting, trying to get them to talk to each other. Now the combined workflow, that's a whole different ballgame. It's automated, it gets smarter every time you use it, and it builds what the source calls a corpus of knowledge, basically a structured library of all your work that your AI can actually study and learn from.
To make all this magic happen, we need our dream team. It's made up of 3 key players, and each one has a very specific, very critical role to play in our new automated assembly line.
Let's break down the roles. Think of Claude Code as the orchestrator, or maybe the project manager. It takes your instructions and tells everyone else what to do. Then you've got NotebookLM, who is your specialist analyst. This is the one that does all the heavy lifting, grinding through data, finding insights, and creating your final deliverable, whether that's an infographic or a report. And finally, you have Obsidian. This is the long-term memory. It saves everything, connects all the dots, and, crucially, teaches Claude how you think and work.
Okay, let's get into the how-to. We're not just going to run these tools one after the other. No, the whole point is to bundle all of their functions into a single powerful command, what the source material calls a super skill.
And you know what? The setup is actually way more straightforward than it sounds. First up, inside Obsidian, you use a built-in tool called the Skill Creator to teach Claude basic tasks, like how to search YouTube. Step 2, you grab a little plugin from GitHub that lets Claude talk to NotebookLM. And then for step 3, this is the fun part, you use that same Skill Creator to stitch those little skills together into one big master command that kicks off the entire process automatically.
All right, enough theory. It's time to see what happens when we actually put this system to the test. Let's run a real research task, pulled straight from the source material we're covering today.
And this is the prompt. Just look at it. It's so simple. The user just calls their custom super skill, which they named /YouTube pipeline, and then gives it a complex request in plain English. Find videos, analyze what makes them popular, spot the gaps, and then make me an infographic with all of it, all in one go.
So any guesses on how long this whole thing took, from hitting enter on that prompt to getting a finished infographic? Just 6 minutes. All of that research, all of that analysis, all of that creative work, done. This is where you really see the power of letting NotebookLM handle the heavy processing. It's just incredibly fast. So what did it actually produce in those 6 minutes? Well, it didn't just give back a list of links. It identified the key themes that were driving views, it pointed out specific gaps where there's an opportunity to create new content, and it delivered a totally ready-to-use infographic that summarized all the key findings. I mean, this is high-level strategic analysis, and it was done in the time it takes to make a cup of coffee. Okay, now for what I think is the most mind-blowing part of this whole workflow. This isn't just a one-off tool that you use and forget. Thanks to Obsidian, we're actually creating a symbiotic loop where the AI literally becomes your personalized assistant. See, inside your Obsidian vault, every piece of research, every note, it's all just a simple text file. But Obsidian has this cool feature where you use double brackets to link ideas together. And when you do that, you're not just storing files anymore. You're building a web of knowledge. It's a model of your own thinking. It becomes a second brain.
And at the very heart of this system is one special file, claude.md. You can think of this as the living instruction manual for your AI.
After every project, you can give Claude feedback and tell it to update this file. You're teaching it your tone, your formatting preferences, your analysis style. It's literally a brain for your AI that lives inside your second brain.
And this is where the value just skyrockets over time. In the first week, you'll make some small tweaks. After a month, you'll really start to see it. The AI's output will feel much more aligned with your style. But fast forward a year. After hundreds of interactions, what you'll have is a highly trained AI assistant that knows your work so well, it can practically anticipate what you need before you even ask for it.
And that is the real key takeaway here. The example we walked through was about YouTube research, but you have to see this as a flexible template. You can swap out YouTube for a folder of PDFs or a bunch of web articles. You can change the deliverable from an infographic to a slide deck or a detailed script. You can adapt this entire flow to fit whatever you do, for your job or just for a hobby.
So in the end, what we've built is so much more than a tool. It's a partner. It's an assistant that learns directly from your expertise, your feedback, and your unique way of working. The system is ready to go. The only real question left is, what are you going to teach it first?